The Apple Pencil is a great example of a device that just works. Its introduction brought several new ways for you to use an iPad, but while the user experience is generally seamless, like every electronic, the Pencil is susceptible to unforeseen hiccups. In this video, we have detailed 5 things you should try if your Apple Pencil suddenly stops working. But before we go ahead, please ensure that the Apple Pencil is compatible with your iPad. With how similar the device has kept its looks across the generations, it can get confusing to know whether the iPad you have is the right one. The list displayed on your screen right now consists of all iPad models that support the Apple Pencil. You can also view this list on our website in the article linked to the description of this video. So the first thing you need to do is check your iPad for Inactive Bluetooth. While the first generation Apple Pencil pairs to an iPad by being plugged into its Lightning port, and the second generation by being placed on the magnetic strip along the right side, an inactive Bluetooth setting can stop your pencil from working with the tablet. To reconnect your stylus, swipe down from the top right corner to bring out the control center, and tap on the Bluetooth symbol to activate it. Now plug in your pencil or place it on the magnetic strip to pair it with the iPad. Next, check your pencil's charge levels. If you take a look at the pencil, you will realize that it has no physical indicators. While this allows for a cleaner and nicer looking design, it does prevent you from learning vital information like the current charge levels. So to find out whether your pencil does have a charge, connect it to your iPad and look at Apple's battery widget, which shows exactly how much charge you have. If your pencil does not show up upon connecting, leave it there to charge for approximately 15 minutes and then try again. If upon reconnection it still does not show up, you may have a hardware issue and should visit your nearby Apple store to get the pencil checked. Next, check your pencil's tip. With constant use, the tip of any stylus tends to wear out, and the Apple Pencil is not immune to this. In case you are noticing inconsistent or no response on your screen, a worn out or loosened tip can be the issue. To fix this, tighten the tip by rotating it in a clockwise direction or by buying a replacement set from Apple. Heads up, the first generation of the device does come with an extra tip in its box, whereas for the second generation, you will need to buy Apple's 4-pack replacement tips. The next thing we recommend you try is unpair your pencil and pair it again. While the pairing process for Apple Pencil is seamless at its root, it still does use Bluetooth technology, and a common fix for devices based on this technology is to unpair and repair. To do this, head into the Settings application on your iPad and within the Bluetooth subsection, locate Apple Pencil. Tap on the I button and then select the Forget This Device option. Now to pair your device, ensure Bluetooth is on and plug it into the Lightning port or place it on the magnetic strip. Lastly, if any of the steps mentioned before did not help, we recommend you restart your iPad. While in most cases, the Apple Pencil may be the root cause of an issue, there are situations where an underlying bug on your iPad can lead to connectivity and usage errors. Hence, we recommend a restart, which resets the connection between the Apple Pencil and the iPad. Now, if you have an iPad with a home button, hold down the power button to bring up the slider and slide across it to turn the device off. If you have one of the newer iPads without a home button, press the power button along with either of the volume rockers for a few seconds until the slide to power off prompt shows up. Do as it says and wait for your iPad to turn off. To restart, just hold your power button until the Apple logo shows up. If this guide helped you fix the pairing issues with your pencil, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, press on the bell icon, and let us know in the comments below what else you'd like us to cover. If you are on the lookout for more guides to get you around your smart devices, make sure to visit our website Candid.Technology and follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.